if you have made it this far and you watched all this video to this point, first I want to thank you for your time and thank you for your attention. I really appreciate it. And also I want to let you know that I have 2 openings in my violin studio, and I can take 2 new students. So hopefully I can help you learn some new skills in violin, whether it's with this book or maybe some other books. I'll be more than happy to talk to you and see if I can contribute my knowledge and decades of expertise to help you learn. Let's talk. The link is down below. Thanks.